Good morning student, myself Anupam Sharma and today I will explain subject computer class 8 chapter 4 graphics in QBasic the main part. So today I will explain the main part of the chapter number 4 graphics in QBasic. Graphics in QBasic. So earlier topic from this chapter was medium resolution high regarding the graphics, skin 1, skin 2, skin 3, skin 1, skin 2, skin 7, skin 8, 9, 10, 640 into 200, color supported 4, 6, 16, such types of discussion with you. But today I will start with switching between screens. Switching between screen. Switching between screens. My dear student, the screen statement is used to set the screen resolution. Screen statement is used to set the screen resolution. The syntax of screen statement is screen mode. What? Screen mode. Here mode is any number from 1 to 13. Screen mode. Here mode is 1 to 13 numbers. Okay. For example, screen 7. Screen 7. If the value of the mode is 0, it will be display only text. If the value here is 0, that's the screen mode. Display only text. If the value is from 1 to 13, it will display the only graphics. Screen 7 means resolution. What will resolution? 320 into 200. What is resolution? 320 into 200. And numbers of colors supported 16. What does screen 7? Okay. Next, color statement. Color statement. Color statement. Color statement is used to set screen color for display text and graphics. Color statement used to set screen colors for display text and graphics. The color chart given below specifies the 16 option is for background and foreground colors. So color value is, look here. Color value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Color value. Color value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Color name. Color value 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and color CL. Short this. As 0 for the black. 0 for black. 2 for, sorry, 0 for black. And 1 for 0 for black, 1 for blue, and 2 for green, and 3, 4, 5, and 3 for cyan, red, magenta. Cyan, red, magenta. So many colors. Either 0 to 15, 16 colors. Because the 0 will count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Sorry, not 16, 15. Because the start from 0, so we'll count 0 as a one number, as a particular number. I'm not saying the 1 or 2, 3 number, because the one number for the blue, 3 for the black. So color will count 16 colors. So my dear student, color 0 for black, 1 for blue, 2 for green, 3 for cyan, 4 for red, and 5 for magenta, 6 for brown, and 7 for grey, and 8 for dark grey, 9 for light blue, 10 for green, light green, 9 for light blue, 10 for light green, 11 for light cyan, 12 for light red, 13 for light magenta, 14 for light yellow, and 14 for light yellow, 15 for white. So start from black and ending point colors is white. So the syntax of color statement is color F or color FE, where parameters have defined the foreground color and parameter we define the background color. F for foreground color, B for background color. Example, change the foreground color for the text. F foreground color, B for, and this is the example on the page number 46. To change the foreground color of the text, screen 8 color, screen 8 color 10, color 10, print foreground color is light blue, print foreground color is light green. Foreground color is light green. The foreground foreground color. This color, what is it? This writing color will green. This writing color will green as shown in the figure. As shown in the figure 4.5, output the changing foreground color. Change the foreground color. Screen 8, 640 200 resolution, 16 color, and then color 10, light green. Color 10, light green. Okay, so formula is the green. This is the figure 4.4 writing method, and this is the output method. Five of 15 magenta and 15 is white. Next, screen 8, color 10, screen 8, sorry. CLS color 515, color 515, print foreground color is magenta and background color is white. Print foreground color is magenta. Foreground color. Magenta. And background color is white. Background. Color. Is white. Foreground color is magenta and background color is white. So answer will foreground color is magenta and background color is white. So this line will convert in the magenta color. This line convert in the magenta color, and the writing color convert the magenta color and background. And background color is white. So the background, before writing this line, background color, because of this is the white color. This is the magenta color. Color 5 is the magenta color. 15 code is the white color. So screen color will, output screen color will be white. Only 5 of 15 numbers. By the 5 of 15 numbers. So this line converting the magenta color, and here, and output screen color will white. So my dear student, this example, the page number 4.6 and figure 4.6 and figure 4.6, the white screen and magenta color line on the page of 47. Okay, next example you can see the page number 47, example number 3. Next, line statement. Is leave the now remain part line statement, circle statement, print statement, and insert sounds in basic. Line statement. Line statement. The line statement is used to draw a straight line. The line statement is used to draw a straight line between 2 points on the screen. Line statement is used to draw a straight line between 2 points on the screen. The syntax of line statement is line x1 by 1 dash x2 by 2 color. Line x1 by 1 dash line x1 by 1 x2 by 2 x2, because the line will between the 2 points, because the straight line will between the 2 points, draw a straight line between the 2 points. Color where x1 by 1 x2 by 2 are the state and end coordinates are the start and coordinates of a line drawn in a specific color. For example, screen 8 for example, screen line 520. Yes, 120. Fifteen, 15 for the biter. Okay. So what will the output? Output 550 starting point and 120 ending point and 15 for the white. So line will be the color white. So line color is white. Or according to this statement. Screen it. Go class. Okay. Next circle statement. Circle statement. The circle statement is used to draw a circle, ellipse on the or an arc of a circle. Same the syntax of circle statement: circle x, y, r, p, where x and y are coordinates. The specify the center location of a circle on the screen, or radius of a circle, the color of mode, for example screen 8. Screen 8 screen 8 circle. Circle 100, 50, 52, 100. Because of 15 for the balance. Okay. Circle statement. Next. Paint statement. Paint statement. The paint statement is used to fill an object, the color. The syntax of paint statement is paint xy color, border color. Example screen 8. For example. Screen 8. Screen circle. Circle 150, 150, 150, 150, 10, and for the light statement. Line for the white color and color in green color in green line white color, line in green color. So this is on the figure number 4.15 and 4.14 and 4.15 statement of the color. Outer line is in white color because the color code is 15 and inner line is 10. Color code 10, so light green. 10 light green. 10 light green. Next, inserting sound in QVC. QVC. Inserting sound in QA6. In QA6, sound can be inserted using beep and play statement. Beep statement is used to add beep sound. The syntax of beep statement is the beep. Beep. Play statement. The play statement used to generate the musical tone, musical notes. Next syntax example statement for play B8 C8 B8 C8 D8 E8 B8 E8 and E4. This is the play statement. So my dear student, your chapter has finished. Yes. I leave one example. So I will told you again. It is not hard example. Is the to change the background color of whole screen 8, color 415, CLS. Print foreground color is red and background color is white. To change the background color of whole color screen, CLS statement always after the color. Student, if you are not using any screen mode, then color will not remove. So by this reason we use the CLS statement, and here red color. 4 for color, 4 for the red color. Color for the color, 4 for red color. So by this reason here the red line. The line color is a red. Press and it continue also in the red color. Okay. So finish. Very carefully you have to see the figures. Some again study figures, statement and statement. Chapter finish. Okay. So teachers will send you PDFs. My next video for chapter number 5. Okay, dear student. Bye bye.